Martial law. Okay. Martial law, I'm still in the military. I'm still in the Philippine Marines. And martial law, talking about martial law, I don't like martial law. So many bad things happens there. Like personal, okay, you cannot talk anything about or against the government, especially against the Marcoses, you know, and someone's gonna pick you up right away on the spot and you'll be in jail. It don't matter if you're civilian or military. That's why I don't like martial law. No freedom of speech. Not like before, when there's no martial law, you can do anything, you can say anything you want. You know, you can hang out with your friends anytime. But yeah, martial law, if there's a, they call it a curfew. Well, now my place,